National 5 Maths, Practice Paper I, Paper 2. Now in the first question, what we're asked to do is to round to 4 significant figures. We don't have to do any calculations or anything, just rounding. So the first significant figure is the 1. That's the second, third, fourth. So we've got to round to the 4th significant figure. So looking at the 7, it's got an 8 next to it, which means that the 7 is going to round up to an 8. So it's going to be 1158. Now, common mistake is just to stop there, but you've got to put the rest as zeros. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And remember our pound sign. Now in question 2, we've got a couple of vectors here. We've got to find the components of s plus t. So we've got s, we've got t. What we can do is write down the components of each of them, and then we could add it together, or we can draw them joined together. So what I could do is I can draw them nose to tail. So there's the nose of t, then I can join that to the tail of s, or vice versa. I could do the nose of s to the tail of t. So I'm going to draw this vector over here. So it's from the tail of it, it goes left 2 and up 3. So 3 and then 2. So it's going to be like that. So that's the same vector, and now they're connected together. So to add them, you're going from here to there, which is the resultant vector of t plus s. And t plus s and s plus t are the same thing. So we just need to know the components of this vector here. Well, we're going from the tail of it along 5 to the right and then down 1. So the components of that are going to be 5 and then -1. But as I said, what we could have done is just written down the components of the 2 separate vectors. If we'd done that, vector s would have been 7, -4. And you'd be adding, now we're going left 2 and up 3 for t. So that's adding -2, 3. And that gives us 5, -1. So that's an alternative way of doing the same question.